everybody. It's good to be back again today. I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today I'm making another video, and this video is going to be video 20. I want to welcome everybody who are new, and I want to thank everybody for leaving your comments and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. You know, I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You know, every one of you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, let us start. Oh, and before I start, okay. Now, if you want like anything that I have, that I got on my videos, you could go to, all right, here we go. If I can find it. All right. All right, here we go. If anybody likes anything that I got on my videos that I bought from Temu, you could go to their webpage, which is www.temu.com, or you could easily just download their app on your phone, okay? You know, if you want to, you know, buy anything, you know, if you see something that I like, that you like, if you see something that you like on my video, you could just download their app or go to their webpage, okay, online. All right, let us start. All right, so I don't know what I have here because it's been sitting. I had a lot of bags sitting for almost four weeks. So I really don't remember what I have unless I look into my order and see what I have. Okay, so let me see. I hope everybody's enjoying their day today and having a great day. All right, here we go. I think this is the jackets that I ordered. If I'm not mistaken, I did order some sweater jackets. Okay, and I think these are it. Yep. Yeah, I think this is it. I ordered 2 big sweater jackets, you know, for 4. I got a blue one. And this is the blue one. And they're supposed to be very, very warm, the material. I will put the details of how much I bought this jacket for. This it's like a coat jacket, a sweater. Comes with the hood. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. This is so pretty. Comes with the buttons on the side, as you can see. And it's very long. Very long. So it goes up to like almost to your knees. Long, you know, sleeves. You know, and it's fur inside and out. Okay, so you're gonna feel very warm with this, you know, if you buy it on the floor. You know, as you can see, it's nice and warm. Okay, on both sides, inside, and it's kind of thick. It is kind of thick. You know, it's good for fall. You know, when the season changing and it's getting a little chilly or cold, it's good to wear it. You know, all right. I will leave the details of it up there on the screen, how much I bought it for. Okay, and this is how it is. This is how long it is. All right, and it comes with a hood. Okay. Okay, so that's my first item in this bag. All right, I'm gonna have to move this to the side. I have 2 of them because I did order 2 of them. A gray one with a little kitty on it, and this one is a zipper. Okay. If I could open it, okay, here we go. As you can see, this one is a zipper and this one has pockets on the sides. And as you can see, the little kitty cat. I love cats. Okay, and this one also has a hood, as you can see. And it's pretty warm. It's nice and furry, you know, and it's zippers. Okay, so it comes with a zipper, you know, like it's easy. It's a Also, it's pretty long also, as you can see how long it is. But you will see it up there. I forgot what size this is. I think this was large. Yeah, this is 1X large. Okay. So it's pretty big. It comes pretty big size. You know, it's pretty wide. As you can see, it's really wide and big. Okay. So the long sleeve, and it also has the buttons on the side of it, as you can see. And it's long sleeve also. It's like two-tone, one light gray and one dark gray, medium gray. Both sleeves inside and out, they're fur. Okay, it's nice and warm. Very, very warm. I love it. Good to wear it when the season starts getting a little chilly and cold out there. Okay, all right. So that's my second. Okay. Sorry about that. Now I got a pair of jogging winter pants for ladies. And these supposed to be for also like jogging pants. Let me take this out of the way and put it over here. All right, so these jogging pants, they come with also pockets, as you can see, on both sides. They got pockets, and they have the string that you could tie it, okay? And these are size, I think, not X, probably X. I mean 0X large. So I think that's, I don't know. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know what size. Oh, large. Okay, so it's large. They must come really big for large, because look how big this is. Okay, they're pretty big size. They have in the bottom like jogging, and inside they don't have the fur, but it's thin, you know. It's not so fat jogging pants, but you know, it'll do. You know, it's nice and warm, the material. All right. Okay. Okay, now here I have some gadgets, I think. And these are for the these are pins to put on the pin board. Pin board that you hook. And I got a whole bunch of them. I got some for my daughter, because she has one of those in the kitchen. I don't know how it works, but I will show you the details of these there on the screen. It's a whole bunch of them. You know, but I will show you what is it for and how they work. Okay, even you could buy this for your husband for some of the tools, like the screwdriver. You put it on your pin board, and you know, and it holds the screws inside. Okay, so I got these. Then I have another one. You know, these also are for the board, you know, to these you also put them okay, inside the hold of the pin board, and you put it inside there, and you could hang up things in your tool room, your craft room, which is good to have, or you could hang it up in your handyman tool room for, you know, for your tools, you know, or in the kitchen too, if you have one of those. If you have one of the boards in your kitchen, you could hang up the coffee cups and stuff, okay? Which is a great idea. So it came with a whole bunch. And then I have this is the measurement, it's a measurement laser. I don't think, you know, I don't think it has battery. I'm not sure. Let me see. Nope, so I can't really try it on. But you press the button and the light goes on the wall, you know, to measure the wall where you're going to hang up a picture, you know. It'll be up there on the screen, okay? I will show you on the screen what it is for. And the light will flash to here like a laser beam. It's cute how it has the measurement here too. Here, when you gonna hang up a picture, you know, you can level it. I like it. All right. Okay. Then I have another two, and this is to measure when you're gonna cut wood. You know, like what size you want to put the wood. You know, you put this on the wood. You know, like you put on the wood, and it'll be up there in the screen. If I'm wrong, you know, I will show you on the screen, okay? But it's another tool for wood and to measure, as you can see. It has the size over here. Comes with the size on both sides, okay? All right. Great tool to have in your handyman workshop, okay? Now I have, this is water pressure. This I got is the water pressure, and it's supposed to be for the plants. You know, like it's supposed to be, that's the washer inside. You put your bottle in here, your water bottle, the big ones, 2-liter bottle water, you know, and you close it up. It has a washer in there, as you can see. You close it up. I don't know if you have to press it, and then you just, and it's supposed to spray, you know, your plants, which is, I think it's kind of cool. And these are for my plants for outside, you know. I like it. It'll be up there on the screen. Okay, let's see. Now I got another hair band, you know, and it, you know, I thought I ordered this in blue, but it came, I guess, on black again, because I already got a black one, so I could give this to one of my family, you know. But this is good to wear when you're doing the yard, when you're painting, to keep your hair up, you know, back, you know, or just to look pretty, you know, or even for the gym also. Okay, let's see what else I have here. Now I have these, and these supposed to be for the ear. Plastic, elastic, let me just take a little bit because it's a lot. Okay, you see how they stretchable? So you open them up and you put them around your ear, you know, and it's good for when you're dyeing your hair, you know. Great idea when you're gonna dye your hair and you don't want your ears, you know, to get water, you know, or paint on them, you know, dye on it, you know. So I think this is a great idea for you when you dye your hair. And if you got an idea for it, you think about other ideas for it. It's good for painting too, you know, when you put the, well, you could use it. All I think is about, you know, is for the hair, for dyeing your hair, or, you know, that you could use it for, okay? But you could use it for a lot of things. Just use your imagination on that, okay? Because right now I can't think of anything but just dyeing your hair, okay? So it'll be up there in the screen. All right. Now I got one more left. That's my last one. And this is I have stencils. some more stencils, and it came with a little, you know. Okay, here we go. And the reason why it came with this, because I noticed the stencil has holes on it. So you could, this is a great idea. You could put in all your stencils on this ring, you know, this big ring, and put it there. And then whenever you're going to use one of them, you know, you could just go like this. Okay. So these are the stencils that I got. I have the leaves. I have a butterfly with flowers, one butterfly, some more leaves, which is pretty. I have another lily leaf. This is, I think, is for the water, but you could use this on, you know, anything you could be creative with. You have a creative mind with craft, you could use these stencils, and you love stencil like I do, that you could use it in so many things, you know. You could trace it also, which is a great idea. You could trace this on a piece of wood or a picture, and then you could take some glue and glue the, you know, over the trace. Okay, all different kind of colorful glue, which is a great idea too. Just to give you a little hint there. Another flower, some more flowers, another big flower, and a big giant rose, some little roses, very pretty. They have all different kind of flowers. Here goes another flower. Then I have different flowers, and you could paint them different colors that you like. Okay, for your girls' room, you know, the dresser, you know, wherever you want to do. And the little hummingbird. Okay, all right, that's everything I got. All right, from my bag. Thank you, everybody, for staying along with me through the whole video. May you continue having a great day. And I just want to say God bless everybody. Okay, bye.